This garage door opener is a top-rated bestseller on Amazon, but if you install it on the wrong type of garage door, it could completely destroy your tracks, tangle your cables, and cost you thousands in expensive garage door repairs. Look, I get it. You want to buy a new garage door operator on Amazon Prime Day. And I hate being the bad guy. But as the owner of SOS Garage Door Service, lately I've been getting a lot of frantic calls from homeowners whose garage doors suddenly collapse. When I show up, I find a brand new DIY wall mount operator installed, but it has loose wires and the door is completely off its tracks. Sounds like an exaggeration? I wish it was. Let's party. Here's a hidden danger Amazon reviews won't tell you. Wall mount garage door openers are not universal. They work beautifully on standard garage doors with plenty of ceiling clearance. But if your door sits tight against the ceiling, what we call a low head track assembly, you're asking for trouble. Wall mount garage door openers open and close the door by turning the torsion tube directly. To keep it safe, some of the older models used a physical cable tension monitor. On the newer models, they actually use internal software to detect any issues. But with a low head track assembly, the door travel simply isn't smooth. In fact, that top section would bang right up against the header. And sometimes the software would detect that as sudden resistance and open the door right back up, trying to force the door. Throw in some worn out rollers of broken hinges and that smart operator will literally pull your door apart before it realizes something is wrong. Real quick story. I had a customer that installed a Chamberlain wall mount garage door operator on his very heavy garage door. It was an insulated garage door. The springs were not right on his door and the balance was off. Nevertheless, he installed that wall mount garage door operator. It was a Chamberlain model and he used it on this very heavy door. In a very short amount of time, that heavy door created damage to his brand new wall mount operator. So the customer reached out to Chamberlain, trying to get it warranted. Chamberlain asked them, how's the door weight? How does the door feel? When you lift it halfway, does it stay? Does it go up or does it fall down? Naturally, it was falling down. And the issue was, because of that poor balance, Chamberlain did not warranty him. He was out hundreds of dollars on his brand new wall mount garage door operator. Not only did he have to spend money for getting his garage door balanced, now he had to go back and spend money again on a new wall mount garage door operator. He was not happy about the situation. You tell me, if you were in that type of situation, would you be happy? And that's just one of many stories, but I have to reach out to the dealer community because I'm pretty sure you guys have stories about customers that have purchased a DIY wall mount garage door operator and their door was bad, or they had it on a low head track assembly door and it simply didn't work. I know there's going to be many that'll chime in. Now, I happen to have here a Guardian 928 wall mount garage door operator. I happen to like this operator a lot for specific reasons. I like the light feature to this operator, and it was one of the few operators that did not require, well, actually, it utilized a physical cable tension monitor, but you could also omit that feature or that option to this wall mount garage door operator. And like I was mentioning before, you have the shaft of the torsion tube that is connected to here through this little hole, and there was a coupler, and this is what turns the direct drive or the torsion tube up and down to open and close your garage door. This mounted onto the wall. You wanted to make sure that everything was secured, plumb straight, and that's the point. When you are installing a wall mount garage door operator, perhaps to your eye, you think, man, this is way easier. This is not having to connect a rail. I don't have to hoist up a big old motor head with a rail up above the garage door with all this effort and all this strength. This is super easy, and that is true. Nevertheless, this particular wall mount garage door operator, like all of them, come with caveats. It's not that simple to install them. And some might think that it's an easy DIY project. More power to you. You do you, boo-boo. You do you. But again, these units are not for everyone. So take that into account when you are considering some of these Amazon Prime deals with these wall mount garage door operators. In fact, am I telling you to skip that killer Prime Day deal online? Well, no, not at all. But you must do your due diligence first. Now, what does that mean? Well, go to your garage, pull on the emergency release cord while the door is down, please, and lift your door by hand. If it feels incredibly heavy, If the cables have any slack to them, or if the door starts to scrape against the track assembly, stop. Close your door, save your money, don't buy the upgrade just yet. Spend the money on getting your door properly serviced and balanced first, and have a professional give you a true garage door diagnostic consultation. Now, look, I know it's easy for a contractor to tell you, hire a pro, but you should never feel pressured by a garage door company who isn't looking out for your best interest or trying to price gouge you just because they see an opportunity. I mean, if it's clear that your garage door system needs attention, then do your part. Do your best to make a decision on whether focusing on the door before purchasing a brand new operator. And if you can get your door properly balanced, if you can get it properly serviced, perhaps you need new springs, perhaps you need a number of things to make sure that the door runs smoothly, that will save your overall costs, your bottom line, when it comes to upgrading your garage door operator. Now, thinking about that, do you always have to upgrade your garage door or garage door operator every so often? The reality is no. Like most investments, your garage door and your garage door operator should last the test of time. I tend to find that most insulated garage doors tend to last a little bit longer than your non-insulated doors. And some of the more high-end, premium, or elite garage door operators will have a better warranty. And not that they won't go out, but they tend to last a lot longer than the no-name brands or the brands that you'll find in the retail channel or even on Amazon Prime. No, I definitely won't recommend that you buy a used garage door operator, and please don't buy any used garage door parts like garage door torsion springs. Torsion springs have a specific cycle life. So if you use a torsion spring or if you purchase a used torsion spring and you put it on your door, right off the bat, the cycles on that spring or the springs, they won't be true 10,000, 20,000 cycles. They will be reduced. Now, what are they reduced to? Who knows? Who knows how many cycles they previously provided to the prior door? And it's just like a ticking time bomb on your door. So that's definitely something I wouldn't consider. Now, granted, those options, new torsion springs, all of those other new garage door parts will be online. You can find them new online. But again, what is your time worth? What is your peace of mind worth? What is the convenience of having someone who's experienced do all of this for you to take care of what is considered the heaviest door to your home? It's really considered like a moving wall. A garage door is 16 foot wide by 7 foot tall. You don't want anyone just working on that. You want to make sure that someone has the knowledge and the experience that will keep you and your family safe. So many things to consider before making any purchase or any investment to your garage door system. Finally, if you have all your ducks in order, then you deserve the convenience of a smart garage door operator. But your door has to be structurally ready for it. So before you hit that buy now button, check out the description below for a list of operators we actually trust and use. If you're local to the Chino Valley area, then drop a comment or reach out to schedule a thorough in-home garage door inspection. We'll make sure that your springs, your cables, your tracks are all good, and we will perfectly balance your garage door so that way your tech upgrade doesn't turn into a DIY disaster. Now on this channel, we have a number of videos where we review garage door operators. In fact, check out this video right here on some of the garage door operators that we positively love. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.